Hello everyone, I'm Adrija. Welcome back to my study room. This is a quiz on present continuous tense, also known as present progressive tense. There are a total of 10 questions in this quiz. You will get 10 seconds for each question. So, let's begin.
Question 1.
The correct answer is option C. I'm studying. I am studying at the moment.
Question 2.
The correct answer is option A. Are. Are you coming to our home?
Question 3.
The correct answer is B. Is suffering. Alex is suffering from stomach ache.
Question 4.
The correct answer is option C. Are not going. We are not going to do that.
Question 5.
The correct answer is option A. Aren't you doing your homework now?
Question 6.
The correct answer is B. Is having. Mom is having breakfast at the moment.
Question 7.
The correct answer is B. Isn't she? Why isn't she coming today?
Question 8.
The correct answer is option C. Are. Children are playing on the ground.
Question 9.
The correct answer is option A. Is not raining. It is not raining now.
Question 10.
The correct answer is option C. Are fighting. Tom and Jerry are fighting. What's your score? Write down in the comment section below. If you like this video, click on like button and subscribe for more. Thank you.